Your name?
Quantadius Ross.
What happened to Avamel Romero? Bonded. All right. Quantavious Ross, 17 CF 7447AO. One count of attempted second-degree murder with a firearm, one count of aggravated battery, great bodily harm, and one count of aggravated assault with a firearm. Reviewed the affidavit. Found probable cause. I think there's arrest warrant. I'm sorry. Reviewed the arrest warrant. Found probable cause. Your bond set at no bond, with no contact with the victim, no return to the scene. Were you interested in the services of the public defender? Did you want to represent yourself or hire a private attorney?
Public defender now, but I'd also like to hire an attorney.
Sure. You heard what I told that other guy, right? Just because I give you the public defender now doesn't mean that you have to stick with them. You can always hire a private attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have a job?
Not yet, no, sir.
Right. Any sources of income?
Yes, sir.
All right. How much? What do you have?
Over in Lakeland, Florida, I was working under the table.
Okay. How much money?
I was making $100 per job. Working for the landlord.
All right. Well, what I need to do is I need to figure out if you qualify for the services of the public defender. How much did you think you made per week?
I had just started, so yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll go ahead. I'll temporarily appoint the office of the public defender to represent you. Your bond on each is set at no bond with the conditions. Again, no contact with the victim and no return to the scene. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Could I speak to?
Judge, this case is this charge is attempt, so we'd argue that it reduces it to the lower level from a first-degree felony on Mr. Ross.
Any input from the state?
I think that's correct. I would just let the court know that he has an injunction, an active domestic violence injunction that's very close in time to this incident. So this may be some kind of DV context, I'm not sure. I would ask the court to actually review the affidavit in support of the warrant prior to setting just a standard bond to make sure that there's not some domestic violence overtones to it.
Have you had an opportunity to review the warrant
No, Judge.
or the affidavit?
All right, self-defense.
I have, and this is it's basically an execution that didn't quite work out. So if you want a bond on this one, I'll set your bond on count one at $750,000, count two, $100,000, count three, $150, count four, $150, and all the same conditions, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
And Judge, that is